Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a whitening luxury black soap. But before that, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so now so you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get started. Making this luxury black soap, you will need Cottage Fresh black soap, which moisturizes and lightens the skin. You need pimento serum, which whitens the skin, it fades dark spots and it unifies the skin tone. You need fragrance to help this soap smell nice. You need preservatives to help the soap last longer. You need alpha-arbutin serum, which exfoliates the skin, it removes dead skin cells, fades dark spots, blends the skin, and it whitens the skin. You need Whitening Kenacol, which treats the skin, it prevents and fades stretch marks, green veins, and it whitens the skin. You need propylene glycol to help the whitening artist penetrate the skin. You need whitening glycerin, which hydrates and moisturizes the skin. You need tea tree essential oil, which treats skin reactions, it reduces acne and inflammation. You need shallow stretch mark oil to prevent and fade stretch marks. You need Tumeric Powder, which reduces acne, hyperpigmentation, dark circles, eczema, it glows the skin and less small. You need Licorice Powder, which brightens the skin, it prevents sun damage, it fades dark spots, age spots, it boosts collagen formation on the skin, it fades eczema, red spots, acne, and it reduces wrinkles. You need Sandalwood Powder, which exfoliates the skin, it soothes sunburn, suntan, dry skin, it reduces signs of aging, wrinkles, and acne. You need Half-caste Powder, which whitens and blends the skin. You need Mulberry Powder, which contains vitamin A, C, and E, it fades dark spots, it blends the skin, and it lightens the skin. You need Oatmeal Powder, which exfoliates the skin, it moisturizes the skin, reduces inflammation, lightens the skin, fades dark spots, and unifies the skin tone. You need Camwood Powder, which exfoliates the skin, it brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and it glows the skin. You need Orange Peel Powder, which fades acne, it lightens the skin, it fades dark spots, it exfoliates and glows the skin. So firstly, I'll mix all the powders and set aside. So guys, the full measurements will be in the description box below, so be sure to check it out when making yours. Then I'll mix all the liquid ingredients in a bowl before putting in my soap and mixing. I'm now pouring in my powders, after which I will mix and add the rest of the ingredients. So I'm just mixing, after which I'll leave the soap for 24 hours before using. This luxury black soap whitens the skin, it glows the skin, it fades dark spots, acne, eczema, it blends and exfoliates the skin. It is good for all skin types and could be used on the face and body. This soap can be used on both dark and light skin tone. For best result, to use it in the morning and at night. While using this soap, be sure to scrub your skin at least twice a week to achieve that flawless white skin. This is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found it helpful. If you liked it, give this video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and also help this channel grow by clicking on the subscribe button below. And when you do this, you have to click on the notification bell icon beside it to get notified when next I upload a new video. That's way you won't get to miss out on any of my upcoming videos. See you all in my next video. Bye.